Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Meta Quest headset with Meta Horizon app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Meta Quest headset is powered on and fully charged. Next, download the Meta Horizon app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, launch the Meta Horizon app on your smartphone or tablet. If prompted, sign in using your Meta account credentials. Choose the devices option within the app. Select Pair New Headset from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your headset in pairing mode. In your Meta Quest headset, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Devices section and select it. Then, choose Pair with App. The headset will search for nearby devices. Once your headset appears on the app, tap to select it. You may need to enter a code displayed on your headset screen. Confirm the code to establish the connection. Once paired, the app will display a confirmation message. Now you can manage settings and access features directly from your app. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with the available options. Your Meta Quest headset is now successfully authorized with the Meta Horizon app. Enjoy your optimized experience within the Meta ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.